So here we have my bodyboard and the two different types. Within this case, a professional size magnetic pack for girls and puberty. As you can see on the front here, you can see all the text descriptions. Underneath is a wealth of pictures. We have a full lesson plan, activity and information on each magnet so that you can use that with the individual, group or class. I'm now going to place the magnets up and we'll fast forward that bit so you can see me as they're placed on. So here we have our completed girls puberty My BodyBoard set. And there are more images in here, images that are the Tanner stages as they're called, of breast development. So there are other images that can be used, but that's part and parcel of why My BodyBoard pack is so good. You pick and choose what pictures you want to place on there to show different things and more reality or not. Different faces as well, so that we've got different, as you can see here, different ethnicities, but then cartoonish like. And then you've just got the different magnets that speak about the different areas around puberty and changing. Again, everything's in the activity guide as well, information on each magnet. And if you want to have this and My BodyBoard, all you need to do is come to myeducationworld.co.uk. That's myeducationworld.co.uk.